The kanji today have the ongyumi like jo, kunyumi, nagai, osa. And this kanji have the meaning like long, leader, superior, or senior. When you learn Japanese kanji, you have to remember the onyomi reading and the kunyomi reading. So when you read the Japanese magazine or you read the Japanese book, you will know how to pronunciation about the word, the sentence, and learn how to use kanji when you make the compound nouns with another word or another kanji. So let's see together. Jogang. Jogang is mean secretary or secretary of the government, and or you have meaning that director or chief. Taijo is mean length of an animal or body length. You see that the word taijo is mean long, right? Long, and tai is from the kanji of karada is mean body. So when you use the kanji like body with the long, this mean the long of the body, but they pronounce the pronunciation will be like taijo. Jo is from the onyomi reading. Ijo is mean medical director or chief physician. The word ijo, you see that we have the word I, right? The kanji I and plus with the kanji jo. So in here we have I is mean from the isha or oisha-san, which mean about the medical or the doctor or the nurse, right? So when you put the kanji of the doctor of the nurse with the kanji of jo, you can translate to be like chief physician or medical director. Seijo is mean grow to adulthood, which mean you grow from the children to be an adult. You see that say is mean the process of growing. Jo is mean taller or bigger. So when you put the kanji say with jo, you can say like say jo and have the meaning that grow up or grow to be an adult. Jonan is mean eldest son. Jo, we see that jo is mean the long or the header or the master, but you see that nan, the kanji from the nan is from the otoko, right? Nan is from the kanji of otoko. Otoko is mean man, right? So jonan is mean eldest son, because the jo is mean the header or senior, right? So we can say jonan and then put these two kanji together is you can have the meaning that eldest son, jonan. Kojo is mean principal or headmaster or principal. In here we also have the kanji like ko. The kanji of ko is mean from the gakko, right? Gakko is mean the school, or you can say koko, right? Koko, gakko. So when you put the kanji of the school, be it the kanji of the top or the kanji of the senior, that it can be like principal or headmaster, kojo. Nagai. Nagai is from the Hongyomi reading. Nagai is mean long distance, or long time, or lengthy. For example, you can say like it's too long time is mean nagai jikan, or long distance is mean nagai aida, right? So you can create a sentence like nagai aida or nagai jikan is mean long time or long distance. Osa, when you just read the kanji only, so you can say osa, and it had the meaning that head, chief, leader, elder, the greatest of all, or the most excellent. So this is about the main meaning of this kanji. So you have to remember the kanji meaning and the pronunciation, how to make the pronunciation of the kanji. So in that time you can use Japanese.